College Secretary Dr. Jocelyn M. Molo will now present the recipients of the Latin Honors and other academic awards from the College of Nursing.
Mary Bethany Tolentino, Jerusalem, Class Salutatorian, cum laude. Jimiel Marcus Sombelia